Hello Team TFT, welcome back to another daily market outlook video. This is going to be the last one for the week, so we'll have a bit of a look in the lead up to the big news today and see what we might be anticipating to happen. And we'll cover the euro and the GBP pairs as well. But firstly, we'll jump over onto the economic calendar. Here's that news that we've been talking about. So pretty well from the first couple of hours into the London session, we have all of this euro news. We've got manufacturing and services, French, German. We also have the GBP as well. And then later on in the London session, we have unemployment claims coming out for US as well as their own manufacturing and services as well. So a pretty volatile day all in all. We may see some moves in the euro, which then could be reversed by what comes out of the US. So again, if you're going to trade today, please be very careful and manage your risk. So as of yesterday, we were sort of anticipating a push lower. Ultimately, we were anticipating possibly seeing it coming out of this area. Obviously, we did see that go up there. We did take this high through here and then ultimately have consolidated and pulled back down. We can see this price action very bullish driven here, and then it fights back down, gets pushed back up, it's fighting its way back down. So could this be the early signs of a possible reversal? Unsure at the moment. What we could be waiting on is, again, that further tap down into this monthly range that we've been talking about over the last couple of days. But again, we're just waiting to see this. This could very well look at reversing from this area. So that is a possibility, although not probable to go higher from there. Again, when all this is news driven, it is very, very volatile. So, it could go either way very easily based on whatever news it is driven by. So basically for me today, it's sit on my hands, but I think the overall analysis needs to be the same as what was with yesterday, and ultimately just looking for that further push down into these areas here that we had marked out on the overall range off the fib. So they're those Fibonacci levels there within that monthly imbalance area that we had marked out. But again, just realizing we did obviously come up, set some 15-minute higher structure. This was a bit of an ABC, so we could consider it as an ABC correction before then pushing lower, or do we see it as a break of this high and then looking at coming down to then reverse from there? So again, a lot of different confluences coming in here. So for me, not something that I'm going to be giving much in the way of direction at the moment. I think just sticking with yesterday's analysis of just continuing down into that area is probably the safest for today. Again, same sort of thing here on the euro. We can see here we pushed down through that zone that we were looking at, took that liquidity off the low, and then immediately started marching straight back up. Now we've come back up. Again, this price action is very getting knocked back, pushed back down, pushed back down. It's working for every pip it's pushing up. So there is bearish sentiment here in the market, pushing the market back down. We are coming back up to these highs, through here. These extended wicks, we're now starting to wick into those. We just wicked up into that box, big rejection down. Now we're going to push back up a little bit further. We may see a second test of this Fibonacci line, and then possibly looking to head lower from there. Again, though, all of this is going to be driven wholly and solely by news. There won't be much technical in this until probably after the fact that we'll see that start to come through. So again, if you are looking at trading today, please be careful. GU, obviously GU was the only one that sort of held that level. So we're anticipating that we would sweep that trend line, come back down. We did come down into that area, and then ultimately, it has again worked its way. It's driven its way back up, but not without its knockbacks, its bearish knockbacks there. So again, bearish sentiment is starting to come into the market here at the moment. With probability, we may see, rejection. We've got that big, massive candle there. So we've got the last buy before the sell. or we could take this last buy before the sell here. So I've taken from here to here as my area of interest. So we've obviously tapped into it once, had that rejection. Are we going to tap up into it a little bit further before coming short? That's hard to say. Again, we are just basically at the mercy of the news at the moment, but probability, I would like to see it push up that little bit further up into that area and give us a short area that we could be looking to go from there. Obviously then coming down and some targeting some lower areas from that section. So yeah, other than that, we'll be very interested to see how the news plays out, and obviously coming back early next week, we can evaluate how that sort of went and go from there. But again, if you are trading again today, guys, be careful. I, however, won't be trading today. I'll let this one go and look at seeing what we may be able to pick up on Friday. But I will be watching the markets and seeing how they're playing out, what's happening, how the news reacts, so we can sort of build a bit of a case for tomorrow. But anyway, thanks for jumping on this week. I appreciate the support as always, and I'll see you again on another daily market outlook video. Thank you. Thanks for watching another daily market outlook video. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like it. Also, guys, we are the largest tradesmen's Forex group tailored to helping hundreds of tradesmen get their time back through trading. If you want access to structured education, 18 live sessions across 7 days a week, mental health and mindset support from a qualified psychologist, and access to multiple different trading strategies from 10 different mentors, then jump over to our website at www.teamtft.co.uk. Please remember, this is not financial advice, and you should not trade based on anything I have said in this video. This is just my own opinion and nothing more. And remember, manage your risk, stick to your plan, and secure those profits. Have a ripper day.